Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the rear differential oil on Volkswagen Golf 7. This rear differential is part of the 0CQ family, which features the hydraulic generation 5 all-wheel drive coupling. In this video I'm showing you how to replace the oil on the rear differential, not on the hydraulics. This is the rear differential right there. On the front here is the hydraulics. Here we're going to replace the oil on the rear differential. This is the drain plug right there, and that is the filler plug. First we're going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Once we drain all the oil, next we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Afterwards we're going to open the filler plug and fill the differential with oil. Before I start filling the differential with oil, first I'm going to show you the specifications for the oil for this differential. Next I'm going to open the filler plug and start filling the differential with oil. That's the filler plug removed, and this is the oil that I'm going to put into the differential. That's 75W90 GL5. To fill the differential with oil, I'm going to use my hand pump. I'm going to put the hose inside the filler hole and I'm going to pump 1 liter of oil in there. In order to fill it up to the maximum level, you're going to need probably 1.1 or 1.2 liters of oil. So that you can fill the differential to the maximum level. Once the differential is filled to the maximum level, oil will start dripping from the filler hole. Once the oil starts dripping from the filler hole, then we can remove the hose and put the filler plug back on. Here we can see oil started flowing from the filler hole, so that means that the oil is to the maximum level. Now we're going to put the filler plug back on and tighten it. Once we tighten the filler plug, then we're done with replacing the rear differential oil. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.